n'abaako n'omuwala gwakuwa Patricia siri naye mbu kati bino ebiti so bannange nsaba munyambe musaasire anybody who can because nalopene ku police because kino kyakola si kirungi.
Okay, talking about Patricia, you're supposed to go back to the USA for studies. What's not happening?
Right now, my semester starts in August. So I'll go back in the US 30 days before school. So yeah, which because Catholic holiday.
Course you're gonna say?
You're call journalism, media, and mass communication. No, one now. So no, I want this to be worldwide. Like I have a big view about it. The reason why Chinayagala call a course is because I was inspired and bintu bingi byenda byenjagala okwogerako ng'omwana oba ng'omuntu. There are certain news I want to bring out. Sagala only to base on our entertainment, based on the celebrities. I want it to be Kasavu Kanyama Kako entertainment way. I want to host big shows. I want to present. I want to bring out the best of me.
Okay. Yeah. Mu by'okuzina tutulaba tukyaliyo nnyo. Wabivaamu engeri big girl cut.
Okuzina nzinira ddala ndimuka. Naye gamazina ngazina. Yeah. Naye like in the Ghetto Kids eranga wojira banti it's a foundation. Ebereta new regime bana banje abali mu ghetto eyo abalina talent singa nkyazinira kweyo stage yemu n'aba abaana wandibadde tobalaba wandibadde olabani Patricia eka. So it's their time to shine. Eranga Patricia oba all the kids abalaba kuza abali mu Ghetto Kids we are always backstage to support them. Katukole kino katukole kineno katukikola ki kyekitambula tuyinza kukola kaki. Yeah. Okay.
Atuveko kubye byonna tuddeko ku Patricia as a person. Ali alone waliwo video ezatambula zaani yazita era byali masimyo byali masimyo Victor.
Video ezo saagala zoogerako. I don't want to talk about that.
Why?
Just saagala kyogerako.
Did it affect you in any way?
Yes, but still I don't want to talk about it. Wanga chaita, and now I'm being the better of me, and I have to work the chidako. Yeah.
But are you okay now?
Yes, I'm very fine.
Do you guys still talk?
I don't want to talk, man. I don't want to go there. Why?
No, Victor, yes,
but still, I don't want to talk about it. Just in Sabab because now I'm okay and I feel better. Yeah.
Now, when you talk about this, were you traumatized like the way Kush was traumatized? That's what we are talking about.
I really don't want to talk about how I felt because never chogerako, never start chogerako. You won't understand.
You shall.
No, you won't. You won't.
Like someone else signs up to go category they come next time. Mutwali mu age bracket munawe. What to choget there ko atomla nava mu category.
Omuntu ali mu age bracket munange ayinza okubeera mu situation. Just changing that, I will just talk about it in this way. If you happen to be in such a situation, a girl like me, don't put yourself down. Stand up. The pain is there. You can't run away from it. Wanga bintu bingi ebijjanga tetubeetegekedde obanga tubisuubira kubaawo. Naye nga omuntu, let the people who see the value in you take the value in you, and let the people who see the loser in you take the winner in you. Just stand out. Kabaka kodyo. Midira ng'omuntu. Keep working. Keep going. Never let anybody or anything put you down.
Patricia, myaka gy'olimu means of present okuze. Are you dating?
I think that's a bit private. Mwembaga njagadde okireta mawulire oba to show it, definitely obojja kiraba naye wemba sikirese mawulire oba okukyogerako, that means kiba kya munda kiba kyange.
Well, Chef Lumanga, you guys were dating with Sibi, your fellow comedian.
Oh, me and Sibi.
Something too much.
No, we do. Temunyumira content waffe.
Tenyumira.
Mwagala. And thank you for supporting us and loving us. Mwe mwebale kutuwagira content video tugenda kola tugenda buleta witirivu bukyajja. And thank you for loving us. And thank you for supporting us. Mwebale kutunyumira. Thank you for making us realize what we can do better.
Okay. Yeah. Mbona ogenda US bigenda bera bichi gasigayo tuzanyire comedy.
I love acting. Like I've been talking about it for a very long time. I love acting. It brings out another person of me. Yeah.
Okay, last message to the fans.
My last message to the fans, to the people out there watching me, and to everybody who has supported me since day one. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for standing out with me in all kinds of situations. Thank you for making me a stronger girl. You've always helped me go through all kinds of situations I've been through in life. Life is not perfect. And it can never be perfect. Because we are not saints. And besides that, we face some challenges in life. So, Nanzo more making us strong. I pray and ask you to also be strong. The other thing I told you, in life, let the people who see the value in you take the value in you, and let the people who see the loser in you see the winner in you. But which in life. Ekirala bambi mbasaba munyambeko begayiridde bantu bange mwena abantu mwena abali eyo abalina obuvunaanyizibwa oba balina idea on this Twitter, how I can stop it. Actually, kyenyinza obbagamba bannange nze sina Twitter account era eyo Twitter account eriyo si yange nalabe eri verified but ne musimu yange simanyi na Twitter ngeri gyekolamu, so that's not me using that Twitter. Era nsaba bambi abantu bina abali eyo munyambe tusobole okureportinga page eno bagijeyo. Naloopyeko ku police era omuntu ono yenna agiina yagezaako okunkubirako emabega awo nga ntisakisanga mpa ssente or else ogenda laba, we are going to do fire, togenda kyagala biki, you know. And I knew nti newe nakwata ssente nezimuwa mbw agimpe nga ye wagamba tasobola gimpa. So just kyensaba mwenna abali eyo ne police na buli muntu yenna asobola alina amaanyi oba amanyi engeri gyenyinza okikolako nsaba munyambeko ngipotinge Twitter account eno ngijeyo ebeeyo kubanga ebintu bye bapostinga tebiri mu line nungi si bya buvunaanyizibwa. That has not been me. Ate erinnya lyange nganza omuntu sigamba nti buli muntu wembayo nenjogera nti sina Twitter buli muntu agenda kukitegeera waliwo abamu abatagenda kukiraba. So Twitter eyo si yange.
For how long has it been working?
I don't even know kubanga siri ku Twitter and simanyi weekola naye era nali najulirako emabega kawo before it was verified, you know, nga baga Patricia no postinga kino oba kineeno nengezaako because natuukako mu situation ngamba I need to know who is this person using my Twitter. Kubanga omuntu alina Twitter eyo akozesa account eyo kusaba abantu sente kuba kuliko enamba y'essimu kyempostinga kyapostinga kuba ebintu byepostinga amazima si byavunaanyizibwa ate si bya mu buntu. Maybe to some people, but to the image for me, the way I've been up to right now, try to be the best version of me. Like I said, I'm not perfect. Naye nsaba munyambe sobola ogiteeka wansi naloopyeko ku police, and I think they will also help me. Baagala nnyo era nsaba Mukama abankuumire era kyonna.
Thank you.